Hi, you guys. As you can see, we got a little guest with us tonight. My daughter, Bailey. Yeah, she was up with me, and I guess she decided that she want to be on Mommy channel. So, yes. Until next time. Bye. A lot different with the eyebrows. We're not using brow dip. I'm just using strictly pencils. And the first pencil I'm going in with is the Morphe eyebrow pencil in the color black. And I'm just going to go in and fill that in. And I actually love this method a lot better. My eyebrows look a lot fuller than using the brow dip. So I will continue using this method. And now I'm going in with the NYX micro pencil in the color chocolate. And I'm just filling my eyebrows in. So now I'm going in with my Tarte concealer in the color Deep Tan. And I'm just filling in all the patches so my eyeshadow can just go on flawless. And I'm just going to fill that in, blend it in really nice. Now I'm going in with this brown color from the Zulu palette. And I'm using that as my base for this look. And I'm just going to blend that all the way in on both eyes. So now I'm going in with a color from the Morphe palette. I don't have the palette name on me, but I will put it in the description box below. And with that color, I'm just going in the corners and the crease of my eye, and I'm just going to blend that in really well. Just blend, 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 and I'm going to make sure it's well blended and where it's transitioning into the next color. So now I'm going in with the Tarte, and I'm going to look up so I can know exactly where I'm going to start my cut crease. And it's going to be a nice, sharp cut crease. And also by using this method, it also prevents transfer with your eyeshadow. So if you're having trouble with transfer, this is the best method to use. So now I'm going in with the nude color that I used from the same Morphe palette from earlier. And I'm just going in with this nude color as my base for the glitter look that I'm going for. So I'm just going to patch that in. Well, not patch it in. I'm going to blend it in over top, as you can see. And of course, I had some mistakes. And as you can see, I'm just fixing it. And as you can see, I'm going in with the same colors I used for the crease of my eye. And I'm just going in and blending it in with the nude color I used for the Morphe. Now I'm going in with the glitter glue that I purchased from NYX. And I'm lightly tapping on top of the nude color. And now I'm going in with some glitter that I purchased off of the Morphe website. I will put everything in the description box below. I'm so sorry I do not have the color on me. And as you can see, I'm just lightly tapping it on top of my eye so it can have a little glitter effect, but not the full on glitter effect, if that makes sense. Now I'm going in with the NYX liquid eyeliner in the color black. And when I say I had the hardest time trying to perfect this wing, I just kept on stopping, going back, stopping, going back, stopping, going back. And it just got to the point where I was just like, whatever I do is what I do. Because I really tried to attempt this wing to the best of my abilities. Now that that's done, I'm going in with my Revlon color stay in the color cappuccino or 410. And I'm just going in, I'm putting it all the way in, and I'm blending it in with my Real Technique brush. Now I'm going in with my Tarte concealer in the color Deep Tan. And I'm just going to highlight my face and get ready for this contour. My favorite part. And as you guys know, I'm going in with my all-time favorite, the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit in the color Deep. Now I'm going in with my Sasha buttercup setting powder right under my eyes, under my nose, my chin, and my nose, just to set it. And now I'm going in with my Juvia Place in the color orange, right on my tear ducts only. And as you guys know, I'm going in with my all-time favorite, my coconut from Morphe, because I need to open my eyes up. That lazy eye is really taking me out. And as you guys can see, I'm just going in and correcting everything that I see is wrong. Add an eyeliner, everything. Now I'm going in with my, this is actually the MAC finishing powder. I want to add the finishing powder to the around the perimeters of my face before I add my bronzer. And now I'm going in with my Morphe bronzer, and I'm just going in with my face, and I'm going back in with my MAC, and I'm just finishing my face off. Now these lashes, y'all, I promise this time I'm gonna put it in the description box below. I know every time I say that and every time y'all look in the description box, it is not in there, but I promise this time, I promise I'm gonna put it in there. Now I'm just putting a little powder around my nose to give it a smooth look. Now I'm just going in with the James Charles as a highlight in his palette, and I'm just going in to highlight my face. And as you guys know, I'm going to go in all the time with my NYX lip liner pencil in the color Espresso. Just lining my lips, and now I'm going in with my coconut. And of course, I'm going in with my champagne. And here's the final look. And I thank you guys for all the support. And if you haven't done so yet, go ahead and give me the thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Until next time.